Is your paint job peeling or are your walls looking washed out? Does your home need a fresh new look, but you just don't have the time to do it? When your house looks dull and drab, the whole atmosphere of your home is affected, but finding the time for the proper preparation that's needed can be difficult. Even before you start the actual painting itself, you need to call in a professional house painter to transform your home without the stress of doing it yourself. Our professional house painters have the experience and know-how, together with the proper tools and equipment, to give your home a fresh new look you're going to love. Don't let your paint job go wrong. Let us transform the rooms in your home while you get on with your life. Contact us for a free quote today.